Syamil from Sekolah Rendah Islam Al-Amin Padang Besar.
And I am Muhammad Iman Amsyar Muhammad Salihin. I from SK Al-Isyad Bayu.
Today we would like to present our innovation project that's clean the ocean by using LEGO WEDO, which align it with Sustainable Development Goal SDG. Number 11, responsible consumption and production.
We have chosen target on usage of the public. As we know, the current problem is that people of the disposed garbage generally, which result in polluting the ocean. With interactive project, we hope that cleaning the ocean will be easier.
We create this project to provide the benefit to the public as it can reduce the level of pollution in the ocean.
This project works by turning on the Bluetooth button on the LEGO project and exit the program to make it move and collect the garbage.
Now that's difficult to change people's habit to dispose garbage properly. We still have to be responsible for the environment.
We can provide our technology positive impact as the best solution for the current problem.
This is our demo project for the cleaning the ocean. This robot has two functions. This one is read and this one is sweep.
And this is grab the garbage.
Okay, this is an example of garbage. It can pull garbage. And this one gets
It's a second zero. Right.